So my name is Gregg Hartman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine. I work primarily out of the Simi Valley in the Thousand Oaks office. I grew up in Long Beach, California, which is about an hour and a half south of Ventura. I went to college at UC Santa Barbara, specializing or majoring in aquatic biology. And then I moved to New Orleans, where I went to medical school for 4 years. And then I moved from there to Albuquerque, New Mexico, where I did my orthopedic training for 5 years before moving back to California. My father was an eye surgeon, and that was always part of being in the house with a doctor in the family. But orthopedic surgery came to me when I was 8 years old and broke my leg skiing, and I was always fascinated with the doctor that put my leg in a cast. And that was when I decided orthopedic surgery was my life goal. I actually enjoy treating the entire body. I do subspecialty work, probably in shoulders and knees mostly, but I do enjoy taking care of the entire athlete and the entire person, because I think that people are more than just a sum of their individual parts. I would think that my philosophy of care has to do with engaging the patient in their recovery. I don't like to tell people what to do to take care of their own body. I don't think there's a cookie cutter answer to the same treatment in every single patient. I think you need to understand the patient and what their goals are and work together to create a strategic plan on how we're going to achieve those goals. When it comes to the aches and pains of orthopedics, yes, I oftentimes will talk to patients and list all of the ailments throughout my entire arm, and my nerve pinchings and my ruptured tendons and my tennis elbow, and I've got it all. And so when I attend conferences that really specialize in treating athletes and maintaining athleticism as we all go through the normal natural aging process, people may think that I'm being very altruistic in an effort to help my patients, but there's a lot of self-serving going on here as I try to maintain an athletic and active lifestyle myself. Growing up in California, I always wanted to come back to California, but I didn't want to be in the main city of LA or even where Long Beach was. And Ventura County provided for me kind of that wonderful mix of a slightly more rural area, close enough to a large city, but allowed me to have the lifestyle that I wanted. One of the things that sets Ventura Orthopedics aside from a lot of other large orthopedic groups is we've tried to maintain the independence of each of the offices. And I think that that's important for us because it allows us to, each office to be a part of their community as opposed to a large corporation that's trying to practice corporate medicine. I've been in Ventura Orthopedics now for 26 years. And when I started with Ventura Orthopedics, we took over a very small practice in Simi Valley, a gentleman named Bob Brown who had been there for years before me, and his father as a general surgeon years before that. My philosophy in getting involved and becoming successful in Simi Valley had to do with becoming immersed in the community. So I started taking care of high school sports. I joined the Rotary Club. I'm still an active member of the Rotary Club in Simi Valley. I was asked by the mayor of Simi Valley to join the Community Foundation Board. I got involved in the Community Foundation Board. So I've just been involved in so many different aspects of the community. I can't go to Home Depot or to Costco or to Vaughn's without running into patients, and I love it. I love being immersed in the community in so many different ways.